In a peaceful village nestled among rolling hills, lived a young man named Leo. Leo was known for his kindness, thoughtfulness, and hard work. His friendly nature attracted people towards him, but there was something holding him back from gaining the respect he truly deserved. It was a set of 7 habits that hindered his growth and stopped him from reaching his full potential. Leo knew deep down that these habits were preventing him from becoming the person he aspired to be. One day, he heard about an old sage named Master Tao, renowned for his wisdom. Leo decided to seek the sage's guidance, hoping to overcome his habits and find the respect he craved. Leo climbed a nearby hill where Master Tao lived in a small cottage. Master Tao greeted Leo with a warm smile and invited him to sit down. Leo poured out his heart, sharing his struggles and his desire to earn respect. The sage listened carefully and then began to speak. To gain genuine respect, Leo, you must first respect yourself. This begins by letting go of habits that hold you back. Leo's eyes lit up with interest as he listened to Master Tao. Master Tao began imparting his wisdom. The first habit to leave behind is self-doubt. Believe in yourself, Leo. You have the power to achieve great things. Trust your abilities and have faith in your journey. Remember, every great achievement starts with a single step. Taking a deep breath, Leo absorbed the sage's words. He knew that self-doubt had held him back for too long, making him question his own worth. Now, with Master Tao's guidance, he felt a renewed sense of confidence growing within him. The second habit to let go of is negative self-talk, Master Tao advised. Your thoughts shape your reality. Be aware of the words you use when you speak to yourself. Replace self-criticism with self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and encourage your own growth. Leo's heart swelled with gratitude for the sage's wisdom. He recognized that he had often been his own harshest critic, using negative words that brought him down. But now he was determined to change that inner dialogue and nurture a more positive mindset. The third habit to release is the fear of failure, Master Tao continued. Failure is not something to fear. It's a chance to learn and become stronger. Embrace failure with an open heart, for it reveals your true resilience. Leo felt a weight lifting off his shoulders. He had always been scared of failing and disappointing others, but now he understood that failure was a stepping stone toward success. The fourth habit to change is the need for approval from others, Master Tao gently advised. True respect comes from within, Leo. Seek approval from yourself, not from others. When you live in harmony with your values and follow your own path, others will naturally respect you. Leo felt a sense of liberation washing over him. He had spent so much time seeking validation from others, always comparing himself to them. Now he saw that his worth wasn't tied to others' opinions. He resolved to forge his own path and find respect within himself. The fifth habit to leave behind is the desire for excessive control, Master Tao continued. Life is unpredictable, Leo. Embrace its ups and downs. Let go of the need to control every outcome. Trust the journey and have faith in the process. Leo closed his eyes, taking in Master Tao's final words. He felt a profound shift within himself, as if a burden had been lifted. He knew that changing these 9 habits wouldn't be easy, but he was determined to start this transformative journey. The 6th habit to change is impatience, Master Tao added. Learn to be patient, Leo. Rushing through life only leads to missed opportunities and undue stress. Embrace the present moment and allow things to unfold in their own time. The 7th habit to leave behind is perfectionism, Master Tao continued. Perfection is an illusion that can hinder your progress. Embrace your imperfections and view them as opportunities for growth. Leo absorbed these new insights, realizing how impatience and perfectionism had also played a role in holding him back. With renewed determination, he continued to listen as Master Tao shared the importance of embracing change and maintaining a grateful heart. And so, armed with Master Tao's wisdom, Leo embarked on his journey of transformation. With each passing day, he practiced leaving behind his old habits and adopting new ones that brought him closer to his true potential. Slowly but surely, he noticed changes in himself and how others perceived him. Leo's discipline and determination stood out, and people admired his ability to tackle tasks efficiently. His self-belief radiated confidence, inspiring those around him. The negative self-talk was replaced with self-compassion and positivity, creating a ripple effect of betterment in his life. Each failure became a lesson that pushed Leo forward, revealing his strength and resilience. Leo's transformation didn't go unnoticed in the village. People began to respect and admire him not only for his kindness, but also for the inner strength and wisdom he emanated. They saw a young man who had overcome his habits and become the best version of himself. As time passed, Leo continued to inspire others. He became a guide to those seeking a positive change, sharing his insights and helping them overcome their obstacles. Leo's story showed that anyone could transform their life and earn respect by letting go of limiting habits. And as Leo looked out at the village, he felt a deep sense of gratitude for Master Tao's guidance, for the lessons he had learned, and for the genuine respect he had earned by changing the 7 habits that held him back.